Diplodocus! Don't worry, don't worry. Hi everyone, welcome to another Linguish craft. So here, part of our Linguish camps, we're discovering everything, learning everything about dinosaurs. First thing is to make our own dinosaur. So, to do that, we're going to need, the template, the cardboard, the dinosaurs we're going to cut out. We're going to need markers, glue, and scissors. Don't forget cardboard. What I suggest for this activity is to use a thin cardboard, like this type, okay? Not thick, like double or triple cardboard. It is quite hard to cut. Bristol paper works too. Anything that is stronger than paper, okay? But I think this cardboard is very cheap because it's free and quite good to use. So what we're going to do first is we're going to decide if we want to build a Triceratops or a Diplodocus, okay? So what do you want to build? I want to build a Triceratops. I want to build a Diplodocus. Cliff?
I want to build a Triceratops.
Okay.
And I want to build a Diplodocus.
Okay, so now let's have them cut their parts. So they're going to need the body, the body, and the legs. Okay, let's go guys. Let's cut. Okay, so are you guys finished cutting? Yes, perfect. Okay, so now let's give everyone some cardboard, okay? Can I have some cardboard, please? It was first, sorry.
Yeah. Can I have some cardboard, please?
Yes.
Thank
Get
you.
the big piece of
The big
cardboard.
one.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to glue our dinosaur on the cardboard, okay? It doesn't matter where you glue it, not like this. You want to glue it all over the cardboard, okay? Because we're going to cut out, okay? So, can I have some glue, please?
Can I have some glue, please?
She was number one. Go.
Thank you.
So you can glue, okay? And whoa, guys, look! So now the dinosaurs, the Diplodocus and the Triceratops are glued on the cardboard. So, what are we going to do now? We will cut. We're going to cut the dinosaurs, okay? So, can I have scissors, please? Go. So, just to show you, everyone will cut out the legs and the body. Once everything is cut, you can have your kids color the color of their choice, the dinosaur. Don't forget to cut the little along the dotted line. Be precise here. Be precise. It's really important. So the color of their choice here was red, and then all they have to do is assemble the dinosaur. And look at this. It should stand by itself. Perfect. And now, once every student has the dinosaur, well, we can go further in our project. So take a look at your lesson plan and you'll see what's next. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.